Thank you for joining my channel here at Home Inspired Decor by Janice. Today I'm in my master bedroom suite, and it is without a doubt my favorite room in the house. I'm excited to show you how I styled this beautiful poster bed with its beautifully carved leaf design on each post and the scroll along the top. This bed is both luxurious and romantic. Absolutely beautiful. I usually begin by adding 2 sleeper pillows. But before I do that, I always make sure the sheets are nice and smooth. Next, I added 2 more pillows for the layered look. One way to make your bed look luxurious is by layering your pillows. One affordable way to add more decorative pillows to your bed is by using the pillow covers from your comforter or your duvet set. The next set of pillows are 16 by 16 square pillows, which I made myself using some textured fabric I already had around the house. And just to kick it up a notch, I added the fringe around the edge of the pillows. Now these pillows were really easy to make, so if you would like me to do a tutorial, be sure to leave me your comments below. Another way to add luxury to your bed is by folding back the comforter. Now I folded this comforter back about 1/3 of the way to allow for my extra pillows. When it comes to luxury, I love a lot of pillows. Once I pulled over the top of the comforter, I pull over the fitted sheet that's underneath and I fold it back just to add that tailored look. Now here's where I kick it up another notch by adding some textured pillows to give the bed the ultimate luxurious look. And now for the finishing touch. What luxurious bed would be complete without a beautiful tray? Just add some flowers, your favorite books, and to help set the mood, some LED candles. Don't forget the wine glasses for your favorite beverage. Now enjoy the luxury. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.